Hello, mommies and daddies. Welcome back. Today I am here with one more super duper book recommendation for all the kids from 2 years to 6 years. This is a must have paperback, a very colorful picturized illustrations, and the name of the book is Looking Glass, The World Around Us by Sudha Gupta. So this is how the book looks like. So you can see very colorful pictures. This is a must have paperback. Let's have a quick look what's inside the book. So as you open, you can see it's very colorful, picturized. Pictures on every page. So this is the contents actually. So my family, then good habits, good manners, our helpers, everything is explained in the form of pictures. It's just picturized book with no content, nothing. So it's a very open-ended book actually. Important places to visit, celebrations, festivals, seasons, all these are something which every child is taught. And so this is a very easy, interactive, colorful way to teach about different rooms in our house, good habits. It's the best book to teach all these things to your child, or discuss with them, or introduce all these things to them in a very picturized, colorful manner. This book is just having all pictures. Like see, the first page, it is having my family, as you can see. It's just pictures, no illustration, nothing. So it's you and your child and your imagination. Well, you can interact with your child and talk about your family members. Then you have my house, drawing room, dining room, bedroom. Then you have kitchen. You can see the girl helping here. Mama is cooking. So it's all so colorful. And this is the bathroom. You can see so many activities going on in the bathroom. Then this is good habits like brush your teeth twice a day, wash your hands, then bath every day. So these are very good actually. And always keep your nails clean and short, then comb your hair, then throw litter only in the dustbin. So all these are good manners or good habits. Always greet your elders. So all these are good manners, you can see. Then you have all these good manners here. Say thank you when you receive a gift. Then say sorry if you hurt someone. All these are beautiful pictures. Then these are our helpers. Our helpers like doctor, postman, electrician. All these we need to introduce to the kids. So this is the best way because it's all picturized, colorful. Kids will love looking at it. And we have doctor, postman, electrician, what works they do, all that we can discuss. So yeah, teacher, barber, cobbler, all these are basic things. We can introduce in the form of pictures. So these are all helpers. Artist, conductor, traffic policeman, so all our helpers. We have important places like hospital, police station, fire station, post office, railway station, shopping complex, circus, beach. So you can use the board. So yeah, circus, shopping complex, sea beach. You can ask different questions like what is this boy and girl doing here? Then what is this camel? Then balloons, or different questions like what are these people doing at the beach? What are the things we can do? Like that we can discuss and introduce all these concepts. Zoo, all about the important places. Then we have celebrations like Republic Day, Independence Day, birthday party, Holi, all the Indian festivals we celebrate. Raksha Bandhan, we have Eid al-Fitr, so all Dashera, Diwali, then Guru Parab, Christmas, summer, then we have seasons. Summer season, you can see fan, girl having ice cream, all that. Then rainy season, then we have winter season. So it's a very good book, like to introduce all the seasons to your child. So very good picturization, very beautiful, very colorful. So I think it's a must-have book. It's just 145 rupees, you can see here. So I have taken it from Instagram, from Little Bunny Reads. If you can find from anywhere else, you can try it out. A very budget friendly yet very important book. Thank you for watching. Hope you found it useful, and happy reading, mommies and daddies, and hope you found it useful. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and found helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I promise to come up with more interesting and useful videos. Thank you. Until next video, take care. Bye-bye.